We've all been there. You spend 40 minutes on your makeup, step into the sunlight, and suddenly, it's cakey, your lashes are drooping, and your redness is peeking through. What if I told you that the secret to a filter in real life look isn't a $500 luxury haul, but these 10 specific Amazon gems? Today, I'm stripping back the hype to show you the top 25 beauty essentials that are currently breaking the internet. We're talking 24-hour wear, vegan formulas, and professional results for a fraction of the price. Stick around, because product number 5 is a clean beauty game changer that gives 300% more volume, and number 10 is the only base product you'll need for the entire summer. Let's get you that glow. First up, the legend, L'Oreal Telescopic Original. If you want lashes that literally touch your eyebrows, this is your holy grail. It's not about clump, it's about length. The patented dual-sided brush uses the flat side to stretch lashes up to 60%, while the comb side separates them perfectly. It's ophthalmologist tested, meaning no itchy eyes, and at under $11, it beats luxury brands twice its price. It's that or those extensions, look in a bottle. Length or volume? Which one do you prioritize for your lashes? Let me know in the comments. Stop trying to hide redness with thick foundation. Neutralize it with the Revlon Glimmer Correcting Concealer in 100 Green. This isn't just color correction, it's skincare. Infused with caffeine and vitamin C, it brightens while it conceals. The green pigment cancels out rosacea or acne marks for 24 hours without settling into your pores. It's ultra lightweight and a total steal at $10.89 for that flawless, even canvas. Do you struggle more with redness or dark under eye circles? Comment red or dark below. If your makeup looks powdery by noon, you need the Covergirl Clean Fresh Nourishing Milk Spray. This is a 3-in-1 powerhouse, primer, moisturizer, and refresher. It's packed with hyaluronic acid and ceramides. I love using this to melt my powder products into my skin for that glass skin finish. It's 100% vegan and cruelty-free. Pro tip, keep it in the fridge for a depuffing morning mist. Smash that like button if you're a fan of the dewy skin look over matte. The NYX Slim Lip Pencil in Espresso is the industry's worst-kept secret. It's a buttery, creamy dark brown that defines your lips without bleeding or feathering. It's enriched with shea butter and jojoba oil, so it doesn't feel like a crayon. Everyone compares this to Charlotte Tilbury, but it's only $5.97. Whether you're doing a 90s lip or a modern nude, Espresso is the versatile shade every kit needs. What's your go-to lip combo? Tell me your favorite liner and gloss duo in the comments. Clean beauty lovers, listen up. The Lash Blast Cleantopia is plant-powered magic. We're talking 72% natural origin ingredients like aloe and maracuja oil. But don't let the clean label fool you, it delivers up to 300% more volume. It's smudge-proof for 24 hours and won't cause lash fallout. If you have sensitive eyes but want voom volume, this $9.79 tube is your new best friend. Would you switch to a vegan mascara if it performed this well? Comment vegan if you're making the switch. Why buy one palette when you can get two? The BestLand 2-pack gives you 24 highly pigmented shades for under $10. You get the perfect mix of matte and shimmer in warm, nude tones. They're waterproof and hypoallergenic, making them perfect for long workdays or weddings. You can even apply these wet to turn those shimmers into high-intensity metallic liners. It's the ultimate all-in-one travel set. Matte or shimmer? If you had to pick only one for the rest of your life, which is it? Let's settle this. Brow lamination at the salon is expensive. Get the look at home with Revlon PhotoReady Lifting Brow Gel. The dual-ended applicator is genius, one side to apply the tint, the other to comb and lift. It's infused with provitamin B5 to nourish your brow hairs while holding them in place for 24 hours. No crunch, no flakes, just perfectly sculpted, fuller-looking brows in seconds. Are you team fluffy brows or clean and defined? Comment your style. The no-makeup trend is led by this, the e.l.f. Sheer For It Blush Tint. This Plums Up shade is a weightless, watery stain that gives you that just came in from the cold flush. Because it's packed with hyaluronic acid, it hydrates while it stays put. It's transfer-resistant, so it won't end up on your coffee cup or your mask. For $5.48, it's the most affordable way to look effortlessly put together. Who else loves a multi-use product? Hit the share button if you love products that work for both lips and cheeks. This is mascara with a mission. The Lash Blast Bond doesn't just give you 5x the volume, it actually repairs your lashes while you wear it. It's infused with a bonding complex that 88% of users said reduced lash breakage. Imagine your lashes getting stronger every time you put on makeup. It's smudge-proof, vegan, and currently on sale for $9.09. It's the ultimate health meets beauty product. How many coats of mascara is too many? I'm a 3-coat girl myself, how about you? Now, the GOAT of base products, Maybelline Dream Fresh BB Cream. This is 8 benefits in one tube. It hydrates, protects with SPF 30, brightens, and blurs imperfections. It's oil-free, so it won't break you out, and it adjusts to your skin tone for a sheer, dewy finish that looks like actual skin. If you're tired of heavy foundations, this $7.95 tube will change your life. It's my #1 recommendation for a daily glow. We just covered 10 bangers. Which one are you adding to your Amazon cart right now? Tell me the product name in the comments. If you're still using the same 3 crusty brushes for your whole face, we need to talk. The Koccido 22-piece set is literally an entire vanity in one bag. You get 13 high-quality brushes, silicone face mask applicators, beauty sponges, and even a cleaning egg. For just $9.98, down from $20, you're getting professional-grade resin handles and cruelty-free bristles that don't shed. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, this kit covers everything from foundation to the most intricate cut crease. What's the one brush you can't live without? For me, it's a fluffy blender. Tell me yours below. Want that just back from Miami glow without the UV damage? Meet the Rimmel London Natural Bronzer. This is a 10-hour wear, waterproof formula that gives you a velvety matte finish, no chunky glitter here. Shade 022 Sun Bronze is the perfect neutral tan that doesn't turn orange. It's even infused with aloe to keep your skin happy. At $5.49, it's the best budget-friendly way to contour and shade like a celebrity. Matte bronzer or shimmer bronzer? Vote in the comments. Sun. Nothing ruins a night like a lifting lash corner. The Kiss 24-hour lash adhesive is the industry standard for a reason. It's latex-free, formaldehyde-free, and infused with aloe for sensitive eyes. It dries completely clear, so even if you're a beginner and make a mess, no one will ever know. For under $4, it's the insurance policy your lashes need to stay put from morning coffee to the after party. Lash strips or lash clusters? Which is easier for you? Let's help the beginners in the comments. Stop what you're doing. This mascara is $3.49. The Essence Lash Without Limits is proof that high-end results don't need a high-end price. The cone-shaped wand is a genius design. It grabs every single tiny lash you didn't even know you had. It's vegan, paraben-free, and delivers an extra black pigment that makes your eyes pop. It's carbon neutral and high performance. If you're on a budget but want Bambi lashes, this is the one. Can a $3 mascara really beat a $30 one? Comment yes if you've tried Essence. This product has been a staple since 1935. If your makeup creases or gets oily, you need Airspun loose powder. They use a unique microspun technology where the powder is swirled until it's as light as a cloud. It hides fine lines, blurs pores, and gives you a soft focus finish that looks amazing in photos, zero flashback. It's the ultimate secret for a long-lasting, velvety complexion. All that for $6.74. Do you set your whole face or just the T-zone? Share your technique. Skincare meets makeup in the most satisfying way. The Lulesi Beauty Balm Stick uses hydrofusion technology to melt into your skin on contact. It's a primer, moisturizer, concealer, and foundation all in one. It's oil-free and fragrance-free, delivering a dewy, radiant finish that actually hydrates your skin while you wear it. Perfect for the girl on the go who wants full coverage without the heavy feel. Korean Beauty just hit a home run with the Nature Republic Honey Melting Lip. Imagine the shine of a gloss with the deep hydration of a honey mask. It's loaded with shea butter and jojoba oil. The Plum shade gives that perfect bitten lip tint that's so viral right now. It's sheer, glowy, and never sticky. One click gives you the perfect amount for a youthful, glass lip look. Why limit your creativity? The UCANBE palette features 40 highly pigmented shades. We're talking mattes, shimmers, and metallics, from everyday nudes to neon pops. It's only $8.99. The colors are incredibly blendable and work on every skin tone. If you're an aspiring MUA or just someone who loves to play with color, this is the most cost-effective palette on Amazon. It's the ultimate gift for yourself. Travel-friendly and high-impact. The Mr. Rosy Nudes 2 palette is a curated 6-shade set of the most perfect taupes and browns. These are velvety, finely milled powders that don't have any fallout. Plus, it's waterproof and oil-proof, meaning your eye look won't budge even if you're sweating in the summer heat. It's vegan, cruelty-free, and perfect for your purse. There's a reason this is a K-beauty cult favorite. The Touch and SOL No Poreblem Primer is a literal eraser for large pores and fine lines. The silicone-based formula creates a velvety barrier that controls oil all day. If your foundation usually sinks into your pores, this is the fix. It gives you that soft focus, blurred filter look in real life. It's the secret to that flawless Korean glass skin base. Barrier repair is the biggest trend in skincare for 2026. The BYOMA Milky Toner is like a big glass of water for your face. It uses a lipid complex with ceramides and silica to soothe redness and lock in moisture. It's alcohol-free and fragrance-free, making it a dream for sensitive skin. Apply this before your makeup, and you'll notice your foundation sits 10x better on hydrated skin. It's science-backed glow for just $14.99. If you hate the feeling of foundation, you'll love the Mushroom Head CC Cream. The innovative sponge applicator makes it impossible to apply too much. It conceals imperfections and redness while letting your skin breathe. Infused with Centella Asiatica and vitamin E, it's basically skincare with a tint. It's perfect for mature skin or anyone who wants an even skin tone without the cake. Eyeshadow in 30 seconds? Yes, please. The Lang Mani Stick Set gives you 8 dual-ended shades with built-in blenders. You just swipe, blend with the attached sponge, and go. It's waterproof and transfer-proof for over 12 hours. No brushes, no mess, no fallout. From matte nudes to dramatic metallics, these are a total game-changer for busy mornings or travel. Woke up with puffy eyes? The Wet n Wild Cooling Hydra Depuffer is your morning wake-up call. Packed with caffeine and vitamin E, this primer stick instantly refreshes and cools the skin. It preps your under eyes for concealer so it doesn't crease, while the caffeine works to constrict blood vessels and reduce swelling. It's vegan, cruelty-free, and feels like a spa treatment in a stick. Finally, the most high-tech lip product on the list, L'Oreal Plump Ambition. This isn't just a lip oil, it's a color shifter. It reacts to your individual pH level to create a custom shade that's unique to you. The Berry Noir shade gives a stunning, moody berry tint. With hyaluronic acid and tripeptides, it plumps and smooths your lips for 24 hours. It's glass-like shine with a personalized tint. Absolute perfection. There you have it, the 25 Amazon beauty secrets that will transform your routine without breaking the bank. Every single product is linked in the description below with the latest deals, so go grab them before they sell out. If this video helped you find your new favorite, please hit that subscribe button and the notification bell. We're on a mission to hit 1 million subscribers, and I want you to be there when we do. Stay beautiful, stay confident, and I'll see you in the next one.